Hello, good day. This is Kinley again. So today this is the day three for the Power BI series, and today we will be venturing into database record pertaining to AdventureWorks 2022 database. We'll first we have selected a few tables, and then we'll try to understand the columns and the database records and some of the variables. This is helpful before we venture into Power BI, before we clean the data, because we want to have a better understanding of this data set. Okay, so let's begin. Let's go to the my desktop screen. Okay, this is the updated document. The In earlier video, uh, i- I've included. I'm sorry. I've included a new table on the selected tables we decided to use. So I've included the special offer uh, because I think and I believe the business owner will want to know if the special offer has an impact or if effect on their sales, whether it helps to generate more sales. So that's why I kept this, or I've included this. Okay, so we have now 14 tables. Let me repeat. We have the person table, schema person. Then we have customer, we have store, we have sales territory, we have salesperson, we have sales order header, we have sales order detail, sales order header, sales reasons, we have special offer, we have the product model, we have the product category, we have the product subcategory. So this is the schema, and uh, we have identified sales order header as the fact table. So the rest are dimensions table. Okay, so we try to understand information pertaining to each table. So this is the person table, and we have the business entity ID as the primary key, and then we have the person type, which we will need to understand. These are the values. There's SC, there's IN, SP, EM, VC, and GC. So this is what it means. So S is a store contact, IN is the individual retail customer, salesperson for SP, employee non-sales for EM, and VC is a vendor contact, GC is the general contact. So uh, where did I get this information? So let's go to this URL, which you can just do a Google search. Let me try google.com, hit enter. Okay, so we are just keyword AdventureWorks 2022 data dictionary. Okay, this is the one. This is also another one, but I'm not using the DW data warehouse. I'm just using 2022. So I just click on this one. So while we are here, what we need to do is just click on the tables. So this is the person schema. We need to go to the person. Yes, person. If I'm correct. Yes, person dot person. Just click. Are we at the? Yes. person table. So person type. So this is the primary. No, no, primary key for person record is the business entity ID, which is this one. So person type. So there's this SE and up to GC. So SE, IN, SP, salesperson, EM, VC, and GC. So on the brief understanding now, I would say that we will only need customer and IN, individual retail customer, and SP, salesperson. We don't need employee. We don't need a vendor contact. We don't need general contact. We just need um, IN and SP. So we will this one part of the cleaning in the later stage. When after we go into the Power BI query editor, we'll only select these two. Okay, so this is the first thing. So let me try to go back to the document. Okay, we will only keep data, a title, first name, middle name, and last name. That's it for the person ID, a person table. So we let me try to remove this. Okay, the rest, for example, let me show you the rest of the information. Person are not vital, are not important. I don't need email promotion. I don't need any additional contact info. I just want to know who actually uh, make that purchase. That's all. I don't need all this information. Okay. One of to clean up the data. So we have done the person. Then next is the customer. So for customer, there's a customer ID. Then there's a person ID. This is the foreign key to person business entity ID, which is this one. So from the customer ID, I can find the person name, title, first name, middle name, and last name. That's the only reason. Then I can also go to the store uh, and store ID reference to the store business entity ID. Same for territory to find the location. Okay. I also have this store. Then this is the store entity ID, uh, which is the a business entity ID, which is the primary key. Store. So it is this is the customer. There's a store ID. The foreign key ties to the store business entity ID, which is here. Then we can retrieve the store name. There's also each store ties to a salesperson. Okay, foreign key to salesperson business entity ID. Okay, so this is the sales territory. This is the salesperson, which is this one. So it ties to this business entity. No, this salesperson ID ties to the business entity ID here. So, okay, so from the business entity ID here, we can also go to the territory to find the country region code. So which country is that? Okay. I haven't have to look at the data here. I just keep this information or these columns here first because it may be variable because this is the sales year to date, sales last year, cost year to date, and cost last year, and that's a modified date which we want to keep in the event that this date has some reference or relevance to all these columns value. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I would think that we'll need this while we progress along. Okay, we have the salesperson. So we have the information of the sales quota, sales last year, their bonus, commission percent, sales year today, and sales last year, uh, sales modified date. I'm sorry, this is sales year to date, and sales last year and modified date. Okay, this is important information we should keep. Then this is the sales order header. Okay, this is the primary key. This is the foreign key to the customer. Where is it? Here. So customer sales dot. Okay, let me put this in. Foreign key. Foreign key to uh, sales dot customer uh, sales dot. Am I doing the right thing? Wait. Correct. Sales dot customer. Wait. Customer dot customer ID. I'm sorry. This is the way to do it. Okay, so foreign key to customer dot customer ID. Customer dot customer ID. Correct. And where am I? Okay, this is the foreign key to I think it's a salesperson. Am I right? Foreign key. Okay, we'll come back. Oh, okay. Let me check at the. Uh, Give me a minute. So this. Forgot. This the sales order header. Always reference back to the dictionary. Sales dot sales order header. Okay. So we have sales order ID. We have also the salesperson ID which we want. Uh, so foreign key to salesperson business ID. Okay. So it's a foreign key to salesperson business ID. We need a territory ID because oh, okay. Territory in which the sales was made. So it's a foreign key to the sales territory ID. Let's copy this. Okay, so these three information critical. We need this. We also need the order date. We need the ship date. We need the status. We need a subtotal. Why is this too front? Give me a minute. Just a double check. Let's go to. There's only one flight here. What else? Okay, let me remove. We need this. We need this. We don't need this. I can't. Wait. what is happening? Oh, it's hang. Okay, okay, it's here. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, well, I'll remove this. Microsoft. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, okay, I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'm going to keep the total due, and I'm going to keep the comment in the event that we need to retrieve the comment information pertaining to this sales order header record. Okay, so we're going to keep this. So let me double check. This is the sales order header. Close this. Production sales order header. Okay, here. Here's the column. So we we don't need conversion number. We don't need revision number. We need order date. We need due date, ship date, and oh, we need status. Give me a minute. Let me check. So, oh yes, we have status, and we need to check the value of the status. Okay, so let me go and find out. Okay, let's top 1000 records. Okay, so you can see where's the status. Okay, status, there's a number 5, only 5. So let's check from the data dictionary. Okay, so sales order header. So where's the status? Here. So it's a tiny int. So default is 1. So that's the status information. Need to copy this and put this back here. Where's the status? Okay, here. So order current status: 1 is in process, 2 is approved, 3 is back ordered, 4 is rejected, 5 is shipped, and 6 is cancelled. So from this information, likely we only want information record pertaining to 5, that is already shipped. Means order paid, uh, it is shipped to the customer. So we will likely only have the records only have with the status 5. So to clean up the rest, okay. And we have subtotal, we have freight, we have total due, and we have comment. Let's look at this again. The sales order table, and I only have 1, 2, 3 foreign key. I need customer ID, correct? I need salesperson ID. I need the so that I can find who made the sales. I need a territory ID, correct? I don't need this to bill to address ID. I don't need this, and I don't need ship method. At least for now. I don't need credit card. Okay, that's I don't need currency rate ID at this time. Okay, so I think we are more or less done and it's correct. Um, I don't need row GUID modify date. whether do I have comment here? Let me check. Yes, I have comment. Okay, these are all the columns, all the attributes that I've selected. Let's go to the order detail. Oh, let me scroll down. So, okay, we'll start from here. So there's a, oh, wait. Okay, so there's a sales order detail ID, that's the primary key. So we'll have the sales order ID, which reference to this table. That's correct. So this is one to many relationships. So can have one order ID with multiple sales order detail. Okay. Uh, so it's a foreign key to. No, this is wrong. It's a foreign key to sales order header or sales order ID. Okay, wait. Sales order ID. Okay, correct. So this product ID, so it ties to the product, which product reference to this order detail. So again, this we can have multiple product ID here. Uh, so that's why we have one to many. Okay. Then we have a special of ID, which we have included, and also that new table that I have added. So we have also special offer ID. So we want to know what special offer that it that is that's given out, and will will it will it improve on the sales? So we always I think the management needs to find out this critical information. Okay, then there's a unit price, there's a unit price discount, there's a line total. So these are the column and the values which we will need uh, to compute or to analyze. Okay, then this is the special offer table. So we have the special offer ID, then we just have the description, we have the discount percent, then we have the type. So again, this is from the data dictionary. They have no discount, volume discount, discontinued products, excess inventory, seasonal product, and new product. So this is the special offer that they give based on these types. So we also can identify of these types is the which generated the most sales. Okay, so I think this is more relevant to the marketing side. Uh, so there's also a category, no discount, reseller, or customer. And we have the start date and the end date. This is important. And the next table, sales order header, sales reasons. So we need to find the for the sales order, we need to find the sales reasons. So there's a sales reason table. Then we can extract out the information pertaining to each sales order. We also have sales reasons, which is reference to here. So this primary key sales reason ID is the primary key, which reference to this. Let me see. Okay, then we can extract out the name, and we can extract out the reason type. So that the marketing side, the management side will know the reasons. Is this sales is this sales pertains to promotion or marketing or others? Okay, finally, very important, we have the product. So this is wrong. This is product ID. So product ID. So this is the primary key, and we have product subcategory. Just use small c, which ties to the uh, subcategory table, product subcategory table. Then we also have the product model ID. This is also a foreign key that points to the product model table. So this it bring it will able to extract out the model information pertaining to that product. Okay, so this is a subcategory. So we can find a subcategory pertaining to this product here. Then we have the sell start date and sell end date variable. Very important. These two. Then the product name. We need to understand the information on make flag and finish good flag. Okay, so let's go. So product. So production. Product. Where's okay. So the make flag here is default one. So default is purchase. One is product is manufactured in-house. So at least we know something about this, the 0 and 1. Let me copy this here. So we have make flag. Okay. And we have the finish good flags. So let's go. Um, so default is 1. 0 is product is not a sellable item. Product is sellable. Let me update. I think we will default this to 1. So we will ignore the 0. Product is purchased, product is manufactured in-house. Okay, we'll come back to this. We'll try to understand a little bit more as we progress along. The reason why I'm keeping color is because the same product, maybe certain color is more popular. We are able to identify this if we have the color information. So whether red color sells more, sorry, or blue or green or yellow. That's why I've put this here. May or may not be important, but we'll leave this inside first. There's a standard cost. This is important. Then there's also a list price. This is also important. Must have. Product line. We'll also have a class, whether it's high, medium, or low. Then we have a style. So women, men's, or universal. So whether women's product sells more helps generate more income. We need to also figure that out and do analysis on this. Okay, so that's the reason why I keep the style the column style here because it will be very interesting to know about all this. Okay, tentatively we will keep this class and style. Then we have the product model, which earlier we on the product table. There's a product that points to the product model table. It's here. It's simply just an extraction of this product model name. Okay. Um, then we have the product category. So same thing. Oh no, we have the subcategory. The product points to the subcategory here. Let me. Where's my? I'll close this first. Oh, oh, close this diagram. Okay. So from here we can see product table. It maps to the product subcategory. There's a primary key product subcategory ID here. So there's a relationship from here. This is many to one. So it's the product subcategory here. So one product subcategory can have many products. So here one product can find what's the product subcategory, what's the product subcategory name. And from this product subcategory, you can find the relevant product category and extract out its name. So for these three tables, for the category tables, we only need name. We don't need the row GUID. We don't need the modified date. Same thing for category. We only need the name, and that's all. So we don't need the row GUID and modified date. From here, let's go back to the document. Okay, so same. We need the name only for the subcategory and the category ID so that we can find the parent category, which is the product category. That's all. So this is we should we at this point of time, I think we will be at least I will be merging. Is it merge? Yes, merging three tables: the product category and subcategory and category into rows of records. Then we import that into Power BI query editor. Okay. We'll do the merge over at the Power Query Editor. I'm sorry. Okay, before we load into the model. Okay, this is the basic understanding now for the database table. So we have this document now. Uh, we will keep this and we will action based on this onto the Power BI query editor, which we will be doing in the next video. And this is the this is the diagram table, which is essential for a better understanding of the tables and their relationship. And very important is the data dictionary here, so we can basically understand uh, the information better. For example, make flag. What is 0? What is 1? What's the default value? So for make flag, the product is purchased. One is product is manufactured in house. We'll As we go along, I think we will have a clearer understanding. Okay, I think this is good for now. So today we have completed the some form of good understanding for the database record. Okay, let me go back to my yes. We have come to this stage now, and we have understand. We have selected around 14. Is it 14? Let me check. Oh, I'm so sorry. Give me a minute. Yes, okay. 14 tables. We have the person table, we have the customer, we have the store. Uh, just give me a minute. Okay, we have the sales territory, we have the salesperson, sales order header, sales order detail, sales order header, sales reasons. We have also the sales reasons. We have the special offer. We have the product. We have the product model. we have the product category, and we have the product subcategory. So we'll be involving, or we'll dive into this. We revolve around these 14 tables. Okay, next week, next video, we will be importing this um, first into Power BI query editor. We also uh, do a lot of data cleaning, clean it up and remove irrelevant information and records. It should be interesting. So that's for all for today, and see you the next time. Thank you.